It's your boy Ken Easy, from the burbs where dudes are all greasy, and we say things like take it easy, and the pickup lines are all cheesy, kinda sleazy. It's Ken Easy, y'all better go out cop the CD, cause I ain't giving out no freebies. I could've sworn I grew up with ADD, now see me.
Yeah, I'm single, get at me honey. Girls see our baggy pants and they think we bummy. Dudes don't take it serious and think we funny, but we the first rappers living off Gadinsky money. Dead that shit, you got no game. I get iller chicks than you and I use Rogaine. You got no fame, forget it, you a small fish. I'm the illest rapper you heard with premature baldness. I'm on this beat, yeah, tear it apart. You could only move the crowd if you tearing a fart. Tight ass, you only smoke if you share a dart. Shit, I wouldn't be surprised if you was scared of the dark. So if you see me kick game, I'm trying to see her coochie, not a wolf in sheep's clothing, cause I prefer Gucci. And if she rejects me, I'ma key her hoopty. You paint pictures with words, man, I create movies.
From the burbs where dudes are all greasy, and we say things like take it easy, and the pickup lines are all cheesy, kinda sleazy. It's Ken Easy, y'all better go out cop the CD, cause I ain't giving out no freebies. I could've sworn I grew up with ADD, now see me.
Help me, I'm feeling incomplete with rap. Madonna kissed Britney, I can't compete with that. Now you can speak crap and act all hard, but if they do it again, I don't have to act all hard. I'm all barred up from pop star publicity stunts. It's like I have to show both of Janet's titties at once. I won't front, these pop stars have raised the bar. I'm serious, Beyonce, raise the bar. And that crazy in love clip, straight strip club shit. Little Kim telling me where to shove dick. I don't do thug shit, that wouldn't be right. Can't remember the last time that I've been in a fight. That ain't like I'm anti-global like Burn the Star Spangled, but I could probably work that blasphemous angle, cause I don't give a fuck about the post-war health. I won't shake the man's hand, he does it fine himself.
Get it easy, from the burbs where dudes are all greasy, and we say things like take it easy,